Hello viewers, this is Dikshit Kumar. So you can see the details of screw jack. Now let us do item number 5, that is washer special made up of Fe410W. I'll just rotate this image. So this is washer special. You can note down the dimension. So it is diameter 35, height 8, and if you see this carefully, it is actually a countersink. So I'll be making this using protrusion and countersink. So let us begin. Go to solid edge, click on solid part, go to named views, set as ISO. Now here I will be selecting protrusion. I will be taking top reference plane. Now using circle by center, I will be drawing a circle of diameter 35 mm. So using smart dimension, I will fix this dimension. So it is 35. Click on return, and at one direction I will make a protrusion of distance 8 mm. The distance is 8. Click, finish, cancel. Now I will be hiding the reference plane. I will hide this so that you can see it properly. Now I will be selecting hole option. So click here, hole options. So the hole option will display. You can note down the settings here. The first, the saved setting, you have to select as countersink, 1/2 countersink. Now the type is countersink, the unit is in mm, the diameter is 14.5. I'll just enter as 14.5, and countersink diameter, so it is 25 mm. Countersink diameter is 25, and countersink angle will be 90 degree. So it is given in the drawing. So the extent, it is through all extent. So the diameter 14.5, countersink diameter 25, and countersink angle, it is 90 degree. Just refer the drawing. So you can see the 14.5 is the diameter, and the countersink diameter will be 25. I hope you understood this. So I'll go back. So you can note down all the setting. So just click on OK. Now I'll be selecting this face, this top face, and just provoke the center, and I have to place at the center. Then click on return. So click downwards, click, finish, cancel. So this is washer special. Very easy and simple. Set as ISO. Now fit, I'll add the material. So material table, it is Fe410W. Apply to model, click on save, go to summary. So the title is washer special. I'll copy this, OK. Screw jack folder, I'll paste here as washer special, and I'll save this part. So that's it, we have completed the washer special. Thank you for watching.